Hello students, myself Vikas Tiwari once again welcomes you in our channel Mass Academy for Advanced Physics. So we are dealing with the topic units and dimension, which is very first chapter of class 11th, and till now what we have covered about the concepts of units, and we have covered the concepts of dimensions, and in fact also we have covered the uses of dimensions. And now what we are going with the problems, how to solve the problems associated with units and dimension. In that context, just I am taking one more question over here, and this is what the question is: the value of gravitational acceleration g is 980 centimeter per second square in CGS system. Okay, so find its value in MKS system. So right now what we are saying that when we have gone through the conversion from one unit system to another unit system, from one measuring system to another measuring system, we have gone through with the formula N2 is equal to N1 into M1 upon M2 raised to power A, L1 upon L2 raised to power B, and T1 upon T2 raised to power C. How we have derived this formula? If you have not gone through with that, if you are not familiar with this formula, then you can just watch our previous videos in which we have derived this particular formula. Okay, so what are the values? Just I am elaborating here. Okay, so N1 is equal to value of physical quantity, in first measuring system, Okay, similarly what is N2? N2 is again the value of that physical quantity, okay, in second measuring system. Okay, similarly like that we can say what are M1, M2, that is the values of mass in first value of mass in first measuring system, value of mass in second measuring system L1, length in first measuring system, and L2 length in second measuring system, and T1 time in first measuring system, and T2 time in second measuring system. Okay, so here as per our question, okay, what we are saying that the value of gravitational acceleration g is 980 centimeter per second square in CGS system. So the values are given in CGS system, okay, and we have to convert its value in MKS system. Okay, so as per question, what is the value of N1? N1 is 980. Okay, N1 is 980. Okay, now what we will say that what will be the length? Okay, L1 is equal to, it is taken in centimeter. ठीक है, mass M1 it is taken in gram, okay, and time T1 it is second in it is taken in seconds. Okay, similarly in second measuring system, okay, L2 is taken in meter, mass M2 that should be kilogram in MKS system, and T2 that should be in second. Okay, according to that is the thing we are elaborating. What are the ABC? ABC is are the dimensions of that particular quantity. Like that in our question, G is that physical quantity. So what is the dimension of G? It is equal to the formula for G, or the unit system for G, unit for is meter per second square. Based on that we can write M0 L1 T minus 2. By comparing the value of ABC from there, okay, we can say the value of A is equal to 0, value of B is equal to 1, and what is the value of C? C is equal to minus 2. Okay, so like that we have said that what are the values of ABC. Okay, so now if I want to calculate the value of G in MKS system, that is N2, I can substitute the values over here. Okay, so what we will say, N2 is equal to 980, N1 value of N1 is 980, M1 is gram, it is in gram, because in first measuring system it is CGS, first measuring system is CGS, and second measuring system is, okay, that is MKS, that will be kilogram raised to power 0. Why it is 0? Because the value of A is 0 from this dimension of gravitational acceleration. Okay, now what is L1? Okay, L1 is in centimeter and here it is in taken in meter. What is the power? Power is 1 because the value of B is 1 over here. Okay, and after that what we can say, that is equal to, okay, second, and here also it is in second raised to power minus 2. Okay, so if power to anything is 0, it will become 1. So what is the value of, it will become 980 into, okay, it will become 1, it will become 1 multiplied by, okay, and we know that 1 centimeter, what is relation between 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, like that. Okay, so this is the value, this is the basic relation between meter and centimeter. So we can say, if we can change the value over here, so we can say it should be written in centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to what? 1 upon 100 meter. So if we change in meter, then it will become 1 upon 100 meter raised to power 1. It will cancel out, so again it will equal to 1. So what is N2? N2 is 980 into 1 meter, and meter, this will cancel out because it is a pure number, multiplied by 100. Okay, and if we solve this particular value, okay, it will become 9.8. So what is the value of, what is the value in MKS system? It is equal to 9.8, and what is its unit? Centimeter becomes meter and it is equal to second square. So the value of G in MKS system is 9.8 meter per second square. Okay. Okay, so our next question is, the frequency F of stressed string depends upon the tension F. Tension F means it is saying that dimension of force. So it is F is F has the dimension of the force, length L of the string, and mass per unit length mu of the string. So derive the formula for the frequency F. So this is one of the application of uses of dimension. Okay, so that we have already studied how we have to establish the formula between different physical quantities over here. So here all the physical quantities are given. So what we have to do, just we have to see which quantity is depending on what. So there it is saying that frequency F of stressed string depends on tension F, but I don't know which power of F, which dimension of F. So I will say it depends on F raised to power A. Also it is saying that frequency depends on L, but I don't know what is the dimension of this L, which dimension of. So I will say F is proportional to L raised to power B, and also what we are saying, the dimension mass per unit length. Okay, so mu is nothing but F is proportional to mu raised to power C. Okay, because I don't know which power of mu. Okay, so now if I compile all those, say all these three, so I will say that F is proportional to F raised to power A, L raised to power B, and mu raised to power C. Okay, and if any proportionality sign can be removed, so it will be, we can put a constant over here. So we can say some constant K dash. Okay, F raised to power A, L raised to power B, and mu raised to power C. Now we have to calculate the dimensions of individual quantities. Okay, so what is frequency? Frequency, the unit of frequency is per second. We can generally define how we are defined frequency. Frequency is per second. So the dimension of frequency is equal to F equal to dimension of f is equal to, per second means 1 upon time, 1 upon time. So dimension of f is equal to m0 L0 t minus 1. So this is the dimension of frequency. Okay, so it is saying per second 1 upon t, and when t goes in the numerator it will become m0 L0 t raised to power minus 1. Okay, here what is the dimension of f, that we have already calculated previously. So dimension of f is m1 L1 t minus 2. Okay, in the previous lecture we have already calculated the dimension of force, so it is m1 L1 t minus 2. L is the length, so dimension of length is m0 L1 t0, because it is pure length, there is no component of mass and time, so we can say m0 L1 t0. So this is the dimension of L. And what is mu? Here we have to say, check what is mu. It is written here mass per unit length. So somehow its formula is something like that, mass per unit length. Okay, so its dimension will become mass m1 L minus 1 and t0. There is no component of t. So m1 L1 L minus 1 t0. So this is the dimension of mu. If we substitute the values of f, capital F, L and mu over here, so our this equation becomes f is equal to somewhat k dash. Okay, f means m1 L1 t minus 2 and its power a, then m0 L1 t0, its power is b, and what is the dimension of mu is m1 L minus 1 t0. We have to solve this particular value. How we are going to solve it? So we can say f is equal to k dash, okay, m raised to power a, from here m raised to power 0, and from here m raised to power c. Okay, and here L raised to power a, from here L raised to power b, from here L raised to power minus c, and from here t raised to power minus 2a, from here t raised to power 0, and from here also t raised to power 0. If the base are same, then the power will get added. So f is equal to k dash, okay, m raised to power a plus c. Base are same, then power gets added. Then L raised to power a plus b minus c, okay, and from here t raised to power minus 2a. T0 t raised to power minus 2a. This will become our equation. Here I have, till now I have not substituted the dimension over here. Now I will substitute the dimension of frequency f, which is equal to m0 L0 t minus 1 is equal to k dash. K dash is a pure constant, okay, then m of a plus c, L of a plus b minus c, and t raised to power minus 2a. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to compare the power of MLT from in both the sides, LHS and RHS. Okay, here the power of M is 0 and here a plus c. So one equation will become a plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so we can say a is equal to minus c. One relation we have deduced, a is equal to minus c. Okay, and from this equation a plus b minus c, okay, it is equal to 0. Okay, and from this equation minus 2a is equal to minus 1. From here it will become a is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2 over here. Okay, now what we will say? What we will say that if a is equal to 1 by 2, then from this equation if we substitute the value over here, this value here, we will say c is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, so a is equal to plus 1 by 2 and c is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, then what is the value of b? By substituting the value of a and c in this particular equation, Okay, value of C and value of A in this particular equation, we will say, okay, A is equal to 1 by 2 plus B, and it is equal to minus of minus 1 by 2, it is equal to C. So it will equal to B is equal to what? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, and B is equal to minus 1. So the values over here are A is equal to 1 by 2, B is equal to minus 1, and C is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, so from here we can write, we have already find out the values of ABC. So if we will substitute the values K dash here, F raised to power 1 by 2, okay, B raised to power minus 1, and C raised to power mu raised to power minus 1 by 2. Okay, so further we can write K dash is equal to what? Sorry, this is not B, it is equal to L raised to power minus 1. Okay, so it will become L raised to power minus 1 because the value of B is equal to minus 1. So how we can write this value? K dash F raised to power 1 by 2 upon L. I will take this L raised to power 1 in the numerator and I will put it like this, and also mu can be written as 1 by 2, again it will go here, and further we can write F is equal to K dash 1 upon L, F upon mu ki power 1 by 2. We can write it like this, F upon mu raised to power 1 by 2, and further we can write F is equal to K dash 1 upon L under root F upon mu. Okay, so this is the formula. This is the formula for frequency in terms of force or tension, mass per unit length, and length of the string. By the experiments, the value of K dash is usually found as 1 by 2. So the correct or exact formula for F can be written as 1 upon 2L under root F upon mu. Okay, so these are the some particular questions based on the uses of dimension and units and all those things. Okay, so we have already discussed some questions in previous lecture and some profiles we have discussed over here. So this is the way just we have completed the topic units and dimension over here. Okay, thank you very much.